And again, honestly, it all goes back to that the fact that none of it matters. It doesn't matter if your kid's in traditional, charter, private school, online school, homeschool. If you're using Christian or secular curriculum. If you're using the classical, Charlotte Mason, Montessori, unschooling, traditional, unit studies, eclectic, whatever method, none of that matters in the end if your kid's heart and mind is not in the right place. I can't express that enough. That is why I'm doing this, is because I know from experience for myself, I know from experience working with students in youth groups and in high schools across the state of Florida, that their hearts and minds have to be in the right place. You can take the worst curriculum, the worst nonsense schooling stuff, and if a kid's excited about it and they want to learn about it, like you could say they want to learn about dinosaurs and you find this janky old book, they might learn everything they need to know from this old janky book that you just found at the thrift store that you think isn't worth anything. And you could have a kid who really is struggling at home. They just have no motivation in life. They have no hope. You just don't even know the things that are going on in their mind. And you could present them with the newest, latest, updated, animated dinosaur curriculum online. And they could fail. Because they're not where they need to be to connect with that information right now. So no matter what you pick, no matter what you do, always bring in these kids' hearts and minds. Always bring in ways to empower them, to build them up, to help them see who they are, believe in who they are, and have a desire to move forward, goals that they're walking towards. If they don't walk towards anything, they're going to be going in loop-de-loops and going in circles. They got to have a goal. They got to have a vision. The Bible even says that people without vision will perish. Okay, they have to keep moving forward. Help them do that. And whatever educational opportunities they have on the way will make much more of an impact when they're on a mission and they know who they are and they have the strength and they have the power to make that progress academically. So I just want to encourage you that you've got this. As long as you're working on these kids' hearts and minds, as long as you are doing everything you can to build them up, the educational experience will happen, and they will be okay, and you will make the greatest impact in their life by doing this. So, once you spend time deschooling, remember, use your time deschooling to dig through and figure all this stuff out. You're figuring out the curriculum, the learning path you want to take, how you want to do it. Then you're going to need to create a custom learning experience. And how do you create that? Well, Module 5 is going to tell you, and you want to just go ahead and do this because it kind of meshes up with this workshop here as far as how do you buy curriculum, how do you decide what to invest in, things like that. So go ahead and jump into workshop 5, and I'm going to show you how to take the curriculum that you decide you want to do, how to take all this educational methods and styles to create something that is going to work for you, work for your family, and be custom, creative, amazing, and just make your homeschooling experience an awesome experience. So I'll see you in workshop 5.